Today, in this video, we will be looking at the top 10 most advanced fighter jets in the world as of 2022. These are the most technologically advanced and lethal fighter jets currently in development or in service. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10, Saab JAS 39 Gripen. The Saab JAS 39 Gripen is a fighter aircraft manufactured by the Swedish company Saab. It was developed to replace the Saab 35 Draken and 37 Viggen in the Swedish Air Force, SWAF. The Gripen has a delta wing and canard configuration with relaxed stability design and fly-by-wire flight controls. It is powered by the Volvo RM12 and has a top speed of Mach 2. The JAS 39 Gripen was designed to be a lightweight fighter that could be operated from small airstrips with minimal ground support. It has a low radar cross-section and is armed with internal cannon and precision-guided weapons. The Gripen has been sold to a number of countries, including the Czech Republic, Hungary, South Africa, and Thailand. The Saab JAS 39 Gripen is a versatile and effective fighter aircraft. It is easy to operate and maintain, and has a good reputation for reliability. The Gripen is a good choice for countries that need a modern fighter but do not have the budget for a more expensive aircraft. Number 9, Mikoyan MiG-35. The Mikoyan MiG-35 is a 4++ generation jet fighter developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau. It is a further development of the MiG-29M/M2 and MiG-29K/KUB fighters. The first prototype was a modification of the MiG-29M2, and the second was a clean sheet design. The MiG-35 is an advanced multi-role fighter designed for air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. The aircraft is equipped with a new radar, an optical locator system, digital data link, and a new avionics suite. The aircraft has a maximum speed of Mach 2.25 and a service ceiling of 17,500 m. The MiG-35 has a range of 3,000 kilometers with in-flight refueling, and a maximum takeoff weight of 38,000 kilograms. The aircraft is armed with a 30mm cannon, and can carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. The MiG-35 conducted its maiden flight in January 2007, and was officially unveiled at the Aero India show in February 2007. The aircraft is scheduled to enter service with the Russian Air Force in 2020. Number 8, Sukhoi Su-35 Flanker. The Sukhoi Su-35 Flanker is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter designed by the Russian aerospace company Sukhoi. It is a derivative of the Su-27 and has been in production since 2008. The Su-35 has been sold to various countries, including China, India, and Venezuela. The Su-35 is a highly maneuverable aircraft with a maximum speed of Mach 2.25. It is equipped with a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, as well as a 30mm cannon. The Su-35 has a range of over 3,500 kilometers and can carry up to 8 tons of weapons. It is also able to operate from short airstrips. The Su-35 is a fourth-generation fighter and is considered to be one of the most advanced aircraft currently in production. It is expected to remain in service with the Russian Air Force until 2035. Number 7, Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, canard delta wing, multi-role fighter. Designed and initially produced by a consortium of Airbus, B Systems, and Leonardo, the aircraft entered service with the Royal Air Force and the Italian Air Force in 2003. It is also operated by the Air Forces of Austria, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. The Typhoon was designed originally as an air superiority fighter and is manufactured by a consortium of Airbus, B Systems, and Leonardo. The Typhoon has demonstrated, and continues to demonstrate, high performance and reliability in all aspects of its role. It has been employed in a number of combat operations, most notably in Libya, where it played a vital role in the enforcement of a no-fly zone. The Typhoon is also a capable ground attack platform and has been deployed in this role in Afghanistan. The UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain have all ordered the Typhoon, and it has been selected by Austria, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia as their next-generation fighter. Number 6, Dassault Rafale. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine, canard delta wing, multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation. Equipped with a wide range of weapons, the Rafale is intended to perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. The Rafale is referred to as an omni-role aircraft by Dassault. In the late 1970s, the French Air Force and Navy were seeking to replace and consolidate their existing fleets of aircraft. In order to reduce development costs and boost prospective numbers of aircraft, a joint program between the two services was initiated. The resulting aircraft, named Rafale, is a multi-role fighter designed to perform several missions, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes and naval strikes with the use of nuclear weapons. The Rafale is distinct from other European fighters of its era in several respects. It is a delta-wing design, combined with canards and a twin-engine layout. Number 5. Boeing F-15 Eagle. The Boeing F-15 Eagle is an American twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter aircraft designed by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing. Following reviews of proposals, the United States Air Force selected McDonnell Douglas's design in 1967 to meet the service's need for a dedicated air superiority fighter. The Eagle first flew in July 1972 and entered service in 1976. The F-15 has an internal M6 120mm Vulcan cannon and can carry bombs and missiles. The aircraft has a large flight envelope, allowing it to perform tactical bombing, close air support, and aerial reconnaissance missions. The F-15 has 11 tactical air-to-air missiles, including 8 AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles. It has a large radar cross-section, making it easier to detect, but a low radar signature thanks to its curved surfaces and stealth technology. The F-15 has been operated by the United States Air Force, U.S. Air Force, since 1976. The aircraft has also been exported to several nations, including Israel, Japan, and Saudi Arabia. As of 2020, the F-15 has been procured by 25 nations. The U.S. Air Force has over 250 F-15s in service as of 2020. Number 4. Chengdu J-20. The Chengdu J-20 is a fifth-generation fighter aircraft developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAF. The J-20 is designed as an air superiority fighter with precision strike capability. It entered service with the PLAF in March 2017. The J-20 is the world's third operational fifth-generation fighter aircraft, after the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. The J-20 has a wingspan of 12.88 meters, 42.3 feet, a length of 20.3 meters, 66.7 feet, and a height of 5.6 meters, 18.4 feet. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 37,000 kilograms, 81,000 pounds, and a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, 1,190 miles per hour, 1,914 kilometers per hour. The J-20 is powered by two Shenyang WS-15 afterburning turbofan engines, each with a thrust of 78 kilonewtons, 17,600 pounds force. The WS-15 is the most powerful fighter engine ever built in China. The J-20 has a variety of sensors, including an electro-optical targeting system, a radar warning receiver, and a laser warning receiver. Number 3. Sukhoi Su-57. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a Russian fighter jet that is currently being developed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau. The jet is designed to be a multi-role fighter that is able to perform a variety of missions, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground attacks, and intelligence gathering. The Su-57 is also designed to be a stealth aircraft, and is equipped with a number of features that make it difficult for radar to detect. The Su-57 is currently in the early stages of development, and is not expected to be ready for operational use until 2020. However, the jet has already been used in a number of military exercises, and has been shown to be a capable and formidable fighter. With its advanced capabilities, the Su-57 is expected to be a key part of the Russian military for many years to come. Number 2. Lockheed Martin F-35. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is a family of single-seat, single-engine, all-weather stealth multi-role fighters. The fifth-generation combat aircraft is designed to perform ground attack and air superiority missions. It has three main models: the F-35A conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) variant, the F-35B short takeoff and vertical landing (STOFL) variant, and the F-35C carrier-based catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery (CATOBAR) variant. The F-35 descended from the X-35, the winning design of the Joint Strike Fighter (JSF) program. Its development is being principally funded by the United States, with the United Kingdom and other partners also contributing. The United States plans to buy 2,457 aircraft. In December 2015, the program was estimated to cost $379 billion, which has since risen to $406 billion. The F-35 is derived from the X-35, which was the winning design of the Joint Strike Fighter (JSF) program. It is being designed and built by an aerospace industry team led by Lockheed Martin with Northrop Grumman and B Systems as major partners. Number 1. F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation, single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin and Boeing. The aircraft was designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but has additional capabilities that include ground attack, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence. The Raptor's unique combination of stealth, speed, agility, precision, and situational awareness, combined with air-to-air and air-to-ground combat capabilities, makes it the best air fighter in the world. The F-22 is also considered to be a significant step forward in fighter capability. The Raptor first flew in 1997 and entered service in December 2005. As of September 2014, 187 Raptors have been built. The vast majority of the fleet has been deployed to bases in the United States, with a small number deployed to bases in Japan and the United Arab Emirates. The F-22 has been involved in some aerospace research projects, including the Adaptive Versatile Engine Technology, ADVENT, and the Joint Strike Fighter, JSF, program. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.